it's
No,
Jade.
wait. I'm crying. I'm crying.
Jesus
Okay.
Christ.
You got room over there, little bitty?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you ready this time? Okay. Hey guys, it's Jade.
And it's Lauren.
And we're back
Back at it again with another video.
With
Today-
Brianna. With Brianna.
We're doing 100 layers of glue.
Don't spill it.
Oh.
Don't spill it.
I spilled it all over my legs.
That would have been a mess to clean up. Woo. Okay, so
Are we doing it all at once?
before we get started, make sure that you guys subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we upload our videos, which is
Like, comment. What else?
subscribe.
You already said that.
Yeah, I know.
That's all.
That's all. Okay, let's get started. Okay,
Look, you guys.
layer one. Make sure it's like not a lot because it's gonna take forever.
Oh.
Oh.
This feels weird.
Listen to this.
Ew, that sounds like it's gonna stink.
Every video she burps.
You're gonna blow it over there to the wall.
No?
Come on.
Come on.
Yours feels like my Nana. No. I don't want to touch it. It does. Like after she washes her hands and they're still kind of wet. Like I heard it.
That's not mine. That's
Oh.
hers, you dummy.
Cause you touched yours. It doesn't.
I think I'm good to put layer 2 on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cover that one. Hope it sinks down to the bottom.
Are you scared of them?
I'm scared of everything, Bree. I'm scared of you too.
I don't know why I would never hurt you, Jade.
That's what someone who would hurt me say.
That's what they all say. Until you talk it to them.
I know that I'll be
And
ready
get
to fight.
hit.
Yeah.
Our
most-
first video
Our
got so
most
many
views was like 100 on that first video.
Yeah, we got a lot. On
And it was our crappiest video.
Yeah.
We didn't know how to edit, we didn't know how to do nothing, and we're still learning.
We had bad lighting.
We had no
bad
background.
audio. Yeah, we did. No, we
No,
didn't.
we didn't. My favorite video was our weird food combination. We need to do a part. Should I do my next one?
Número
We're only on our third.
3. It's taking forever.
How do you guys feel about us uploading our Bob Ross paintings? Let us know in the
I
comments.
feel insecure.
We didn't finish them
Oof.
because we got very stressed, but
Ew, look at our first video. We look like we're in jail. Ew.
that was fun.
I watched that one a little bit.
We can do a drive with me.
What time do you go to work tomorrow?
2:30 or 2.
So are you staying with me while she works tomorrow? Sweet.
I didn't mean to click on that.
I'm really hot. This light makes you really hot.
I feel fine.
I'm chilling this.
Jonathan comments on almost all of our videos.
Really?
I love him.
Who's
yeah. My cousin.
he? I know, but like, what's
Oh,
his?
Zombie Slayer.
I didn't know it was him.
Yeah.
He was the one that was talking about little skies.
I love my cousin.
I love your cousin. He knows good music.
Yeah, he's a cutie.
Wait, are we good for 2?
No.
Y'all
Or
ladies,
4?
y'all ladies should hit him up. I told him I'd give him a shout out, and I did.
Well, you are right now.
Give him a shout out.
Okay.
What's
is
his Snapchat?
Let me look. On
Open
Snapchat is J Salmons 2019. His name is Jonathan Salmons, and he's super tall. He's like 6'4". He's really cute. He's really sweet. I love him so much. You guys should go add him on Snapchat and tell him that Jaden Warren sent them. You know, he's really he's in need of some friendships right now.
Your hair looks cute.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Good, because I was feeling insecure. Let's go round 4.
That's not dry.
Bree hates it when I do that. Don't you, Brianna?
A little bit, yeah.
Brianna Renee Chestnut.
Jada.
Y'all remember that
Alexandria.
movie Chestnut?
I know the dog Chestnut. I love him.
That is a dog. It's about a dog.
Oh, that might be where they
I've
got
never
that
watched
name
that.
from.
Abigail. Y'all, how have y'all not seen that? Has Abigail Breslin in it? Breslin in it.
Oh, is that the Oh, I know that name.
When she played in what movie? did
Was she on the Drake and Josh Christmas movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was on a couple Drake and Josh episodes, I think, too.
She was the orphan girl.
Yeah. She,
Oh, she's in that Strangers movie. Pray at Night.
no. That's Bailey Madison. That's Bailey Madison that you're thinking of.
Oh.
Yeah, she was in the
Oh,
Christmas
Abigail.
movie.
Oh. I think I know who you're talking about now. She was
She's
also
blonde.
on Drake and Josh. Yeah, I know who you're talking about now.
She was also in, yeah, she was.
Versus Terabithia, wasn't she?
No, that
That
was
was
Anna
Bailey
Sophia
Madison.
Robb.
Bailey Madison
yeah,
was
she
in
was
the
in it
Christmas
too.
movie.
We got other people mixed up. Now we're gonna have to be like 3 minutes of Jade, Lauren, and Bree not knowing who actresses are.
Strangers Pray at Night was such a good movie. It's still my favorite movie.
It was. That was a really good. It scared the crap out of me because Lauren parked right next to a truck that was just like the one
and
in
we
the
got
movie.
locked out of Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah.
Locked out.
Yeah, they were closed.
They
and
were
we didn't realize it, and I parked next to one of those vans that was in the movie.
Yeah,
And,
and
like, the car was locked too. Okay, I'm going in with my next layer.
is it number 7 for you?
7, yeah.
Okay. Number 7. Lauren, we got a new
Go get
subscriber. Brianna Renee.
Who's that?
I don't know.
She's probably
Oh
ugly.
my god!
She's probably. Yeah, she's probably really mean.
What do you like? You got a fan? Besides that?
No.
Are you sure?
laugh on
I don't know. Leave me alone.
Leave me in.
You don't have anything?
Ring-a-dingy.
No.
Maga.
Y'all, I'm struggling.
I had to say that with my eyes closed. Oh, nah. Rondo, nah. This is all I ever wanted. Why would I let you take it from me? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy.
A couple fingers on a couple triggers.
This is my problem. I'm from Highbridge.
So? Where's Highbridge? Is that in New York?
Yeah.
Sit
Is it
your
really?
ass.
Yeah. I think it's near the Bronx.
My name is Cardi B, and I am from the Bronx.
You're not just Cardi B from the Bronx. Hello there. My name is Cardi B, and I am from the Bronx.
Oh, why can't I have a boyfriend? And my cousin has been married, has a child, and is engaged again. No, but seriously though, why can't I ever have a boyfriend?
I don't want a boyfriend.
I
hate
do.
Guys make me mad.
But I just can't have a boyfriend. That's because you get the stalkers. You get the weird. Right when we were. I just brought a new Mercedes. Oh, but I could have brought a Wraith. Oh. Now some trouble.
Oh, I
Was
keep
that, Kodak?
Yeah, it's sticking out.
I'm starting to make my layers thicker because
I am too. I'm kicking it on there.
Me too.
Ready to go, boys. My papa's gonna make me cook a squirrel when I go back over there.
that's nasty.
Nuh-uh.
Have y'all ever tried lamb?
Yeah,
That's
it's
really
good.
good. But I am thinking about coming vegetarian.
Why would you do that?
You work at Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I can't do that.
Yeah, she eats chicken literally every single day
Yeah,
of
I
her
do.
whole life.
I just don't like pork chops.
That's
Then
the
don't
only
eat
reason.
pork.
That's the only reason you want to go vegetarian.
Yeah.
Because you don't like pork chops.
Yeah.
But you eat chicken every day.
Then don't eat pork.
Yeah.
True.
Huh?
I like pork tenderloin though.
Yeah, pork tenderloin is good.
I just don't like.
What's it
pork
called when you
chops.
don't eat pork? Isn't that called something?
No.
Yeah, I
Let's
feel
look it
like
up.
it is.
Pescatarian is when you only eat fish.
Yeah, I can say that I'm
Porkatarian.
Chickentarian.
porkitarian. Chickatarian. Let's hold it out.
I put more glue than you are.
An oatmeal cookie. Those oatmeal cookies that have those ice.
Nom nom nom. I'll eat those.
Give me those fingers,
I
girl.
Hate this.
I eat those
She burps every video, y'all.
the whole time. Friends that don't know me shocked that me and you are friends.
I don't know. They don't really talk about it.
I feel like they would be. Cause like, we're opposites.
I mean, like, we're not that opposite. Some things we do are
Sometimes we're like
similar.
polar opposites. Like I'm the North Pole, and you're the South Pole. No,
Jake,
I want
I
to
want to
be
be the North Pole.
Put more. Y'all are slacking.
I was gonna say I want to be the
Okay.
South Pole
Put
anyway,
more?
because the South
Yeah.
Pole has the pink.
Put you a big
Look,
layer on
I
there.
put a lot on this time. Look.
No, you didn't. Look at this.
Yes, I did. That's a lot.
What
Oh no, yours
This
is
is
never
gonna take forever to
dry.
dry.
You oatmeal raisin cookie. Now I want one of those. Or those animal crackers with the icing on them.
Those
Those
are
were
nasty.
gross. But those cookies.
I liked
are
the
good.
chocolate animal crackers. Those were good.
Oh, I like regular.
I've never
animal
had
crackers.
those.
Really, they're good.
I like animal crackers, but some days they taste like cardboard.
I don't like animal crackers, but I
You
do
know what
the
I
chocolate.
liked? Those president cookies at school.
Ew.
Those are so good. I took everybody's cookies.
I like vanilla wafers.
You remember when I used to spit carrots at people?
Yes.
Oh, that was so funny. But don't touch me anymore because that felt weird.
Me?
Yeah, don't ever
Feel
touch
how
me.
cold my
Don't
hand
ever
is.
touch
No,
me.
just feel how cold
I know.
my
I
hand
thought you had glue on me.
It's
Don't ever
from
touch
that
me.
glue. My hands
cold
are
my
cold
hand
too.
Yeah.
Mine aren't. Look.
Because my other hand isn't.
Mine is. Both of my
My
hands.
Touch my
other
hand.
hand.
Touch my hand.
You're weird.
Oh well.
Okay.
You put too much glue on your hand.
Should we wait until this
Can you
dries?
guys start calling me Fatty Magoo?
We need to wait until this dries.
Fatty
because
Magoo, is it?
Magoo. You know what's gonna come here? Shut up.
She did that in one of our videos.
Really?
It scared me.
It did me too. I thought it was a ghost.
I did too. But she tapped on the door
Yeah,
and didn't
'cause
even open it.
We both just looked at it. We were like.
I can't breathe.
Did you blow my burp for me?
No. Hey,
You both said that.
Good.
Get out of my video. Get off my YouTube channel.
Get out of her house.
our YouTube channel.
No, mine. My name's first.
But if
I
we're
don't think
in
it can.
it,
I don't think. Dude, why'd you scream like that? We're gonna get in so much trouble. We're gonna get warned.
Yeah, your mom's about to come in here hot.
She's gonna get mad at because Brianna's here.
Yeah, she don't think it's my fault.
Shh, no, it's not. She didn't hear it. It's okay.
Yeah, she ain't got out of bed yet, you mean?
I got glue in my hair.
It's on your pants, dude. Probably from me. Sorry. It's washable though.
Y'all, we're at like, what are we at?
Okay, make sure it's they're like 50,
Wow.
and it's
Brianna dropped out.
look.
Yeah.
It's raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah.
Ew, yours is warm.
Because my hand is warm. This is a good moisturizer, like ketchup and Hannah Montana.
A lot of people don't know is it's also a wonderful moisturizer. Here, isn't that love?
The
Okay,
first
we need to hurry.
episode. I'm hungry too.
Me
I said
too.
we need to hurry.
Oh, I thought you said okay. I'm hungry. Me and Brianna were like, we're hungry too.
I know, y'all was.
We're just dipping in it now because it takes too much to paint it on there. But we're at like, we're halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there.
I wonder if we put paint in it, would it change the color?
That's what she should do. Oh my god, y'all should put paint in it.
And bust it.
Oh, do glue.
Can I mix it with my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, we should have done orange. Okay, that's good.
Isn't that second one like a doll?
Ew, it's like separating. Ew, it's like making slime. Look.
Is that how you make slime?
Do more, do more. Put more paint in it.
Wait, sweet.
We can make slime with this.
If y'all had water and borax, y'all could make slime.
Or just glue and paint.
Is that some water in it?
We just found a new glue and a new slime ingredient.
Put some water in it. It'll make slime.
No, look, this is it's legit slime.
Does it feel like slime?
Yeah, record it. Get the camera and like show the
Ew.
show the slime. Get the camera and show the slime. Your hands were the only ones that were clean.
That's not
Now
slime.
we're all contaminated. No, that's slimy. Cause it's like stuck
It's separating
Put
my
more.
glue.
in the bowl, dummy.
Literally 100 layers of paint turned into making slime.
100 layers of glue turned into making slime. We discovered a new slime recipe.
Wait, should we take these out?
Where are we gonna put them?
I don't know.
Now that I know how I'm gonna make my slime for the kids next year, just like this.
It'll stain their hands.
No, it's acrylic paint. This is amazing. Wait, are we in the shot still?
Add more paint. Here, add orange.
Ew,
Make yours.
orange
Is it still
and blue.
recording?
Yeah. You just got that on me, you turd.
Me?
I'm sorry.
Get your
This
hand
is
on
gonna
it.
be ugly. Oh, it turns green, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Art.
Science and art is cool. Look, that's cool.
Here, add
Wait,
a
look,
little water
swirl it
to
around. Huh?
it. Add some water to it.
No, because then it's just gonna get
There's
wet. Wow, you guys.
Jesus.
Why do we always get off topic in our videos?
That was old. That's old water.
It's still. How
still
does water
water.
get old, Warren?
If it sits in there, it molds.
Water does?
Yes, water molds.
Well, that don't have mold in it.
Since when?
That's been there for over a year.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Seriously.
It really has. That's that blue cup?
Yeah. Because Allie left it.
Ugh.
This is dope. I say dope a lot in this video.
Sick.
My leggings have glue all over them. Does that make it feel any different with the water?
No. I don't know, I was grading myself.
Get off me.
There's slime.
We did another video and we forgot to do an outro, so we're back and we're doing another outro.
Yes. We did the 100 layers of glue challenge.
Which turned into slime making.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that.
Me neither.
I just saw
It
paint
was-
sitting right here and I was like, let's change the color.
It was really messy. We made a huge mess. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Leave comments, nice ones and mean ones. Whatever kind you want to leave. Suggest a video that you guys want to see. Whatever kind of video. I can't talk. Whatever kind of video you guys would like to see. Yeah, we really appreciate you guys watching our videos. Thank you.
Jade, smile at me.
Bye!
Bye.